to my video. So today we are going to be making fruit pots, and these are a fun and a quick recipe for kids. And today I have my little helper here. Say hi.
Hi.
So let's begin. So what do we have here?
We have here fruit.
Okay.
Then now we have here pots.
Okay, and what's this?
Now I have here cream and oreo and biscoff.
Okay, so we've got some crushed Biscoff and some crushed Oreo. So should we start filling up the pots?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
should we start off with the first one? So what are we going to add? So first we're going to add
this first. We're gonna add this.
So we're going to add a spoon of Biscoff biscuits. Okay, now we're going to add the fruit. Thank you for showing us. Okay, put it in. Okay, now I think we've got enough fruit there. So what are we adding next? Some cream.
Cream. Now
So should we get a spoon for the cream? Okay, so we're going to add the cream. So let's just use another spoon. That's it, good girl. So add some more. That's it. Okay, I think we need to add a little bit more.
Now don't order that.
Yeah.
In there
And
now.
we're going to just push these down like so. So let's make them nice and neat.
Yes, then we can eat it.
Yes, once they're ready we can eat them.
Yes,
So
yes,
with the
then
tissue we're just going to wipe it around.
Yes, now
Okay, so now what we're gonna do now?
Oreo.
So because we've put
That.
what did we put there?
We put biscoff.
So let's put some Biscoff some more on top. That's it. I think that's enough. Shall we make the next one?
Yeah, and let's
Okay, so we're going to add the
Oreo.
one more spoon.
That's
Thank you. Now what's next?
And
Okay,
next,
3
we don't use
fruit.
fruit.
Can we add a cherry?
That's a cherry.
Oh wow, that's a nice cherry.
Oh.
Oops.
I think this is enough fruit.
I think one more.
I think one more.
Okay.
You had to do one
That's
more.
enough. I think that's enough. We need to make some space for the cream.
Now you do cream.
Okay, so where's the cream?
Here.
So let's push this back and let's bring the cream forward. So that's it, good girl. Thank you. Okay, one more. Put one more cream. That's it. So we're going to push this in again.
It again. And now don't you do
So
that.
what we're going to add on top?
That.
Oreo.
Little Oreo.
So we're going to
Or more Oreo. I think this is enough.
I think that's enough now.
I think I can put more in it.
That's it. Thank you.
What?
That's enough now. Right, should we make another one? Oh, you're going to eat those? Okay, so let's get another pot. So now we're going to add some cake.
Cake.
So we're going to add some cake.
I think that's enough.
Right, can you push that down with your fingers? No, that's too much. Right, now we're going to add some fruit. Bring that closer. It's a good girl. Thank you for showing us.
I think that's enough. I think this is enough.
Is it? Okay, if we push it down, we can make some more space. So should we add some more fruit now? Because we've got some more space. Come on then. Let's add a cherry. Okay, now we're going to add the cream.
Cream.
So let's push this.
Let me don't know the thing called.
Okay.
I think we actually. Oh.
Right, there we are.
I think that's enough.
I think that's enough. Yep, I think it is. So let's just push this in. I think you're eating all the cake.
Okay, we'll bring that more.
Okay.
Cool.
So we're going to add some sprinkles. So should we just put some here?
And
you
then
can
you put them in there.
on top. Thank you. That's brilliant. So should we make the next one?
Yeah.
So we're going to add some more cake in this one.
Yep, yeah.
This one, this cake. Good girl. And then should we add some Biscoff in there?
That's Biscoff.
Come on then. So let's.
I think
That's enough.
enough.
Right.
Now don't order Oreo.
So we're going to add some Oreo. So this one's going to be a mix one.
Yes, I think different types you mix. And then we don't
So what do we have in here?
Oreo and cake
And
Biscoff.
good girl. Right, should we just? Now we're going to
Cream
add
on
some
it.
fruit.
Everything you
Fruit.
all.
So it's fruit.
Fruit. And maybe a little more heavy.
Yep. You can add some more.
I think that's enough.
Okay.
Now the cream. I think we need sprinkle now.
No, cream, then sprinkles.
Cream, and then sprinkle. Then we don't do the cheese.
Okay.
I think you want. I want them to bake.
Okay, should we add
No,
some
no,
more
no,
cream
I
then?
Oh, I don't. That my cream, not your cream.
Okay.
I think the cream don't come on me. The cream. The cream don't come there.
Okay, should we? I'll help you.
Oh.
It's messy, isn't it?
Your hand messy.
The cream is everywhere.
Then I love cream. I love cream and more.
Don't.
I love cream and more. But sprinkles. Then we should do in the hand.
That's a good idea.
Then we have to do more. What do you like cream?
Do you like sprinkles?
Yes.
Oh, you can eat them. Okay.
Oh.
I think we need some more.
Let's more.
No, we just put some more sprinkle on them. That's it. That's a good girl.
more there.
That's a good job.
We need more. I do not Oreos.
Okay, come on. Let's do the Oreos then.
So we should pour it in. We should pour it in.
Okay.
Like this. As I say, we have that more to crunch it. We have got some more. Biscoff. I want to eat some Biscoff.
I think that's enough. Okay. So
Now we
can
to
finish off our fruit now.
just a few, and then we don't do more. I need it. The one left. The two left. Then the three left. We should do all them. We should do all them.
How are you going to do that? Oh, that's a good idea.
We should do that one.
Okay, and should we just add some cream?
Yes, team. I think we do it all up. Just use Biscoff. I think we need Oreo.
I'll help you with the cream because it's a little bit tricky.
Hi, guys.
Right, what we putting on top of this?
We need that is sprinkled. If you not put sprinkled, then it will be. Put it in the sprinkled. I didn't put the sprinkled.
Okay, go on. Not too much. That's it. I think that's enough.
I think that's enough.
That's lots of sprinkles.
I know. And taste them.
How do they taste?
It tastes like.
Sweets.
It tastes like sprinkled. It's chocolate. Our fruit pot is finished. Now I'm having them here. Thanks for watching. Bye.
And don't forget to
Hit the subscribe button. Comment below.
and comment below.
Bye.
And thanks guys for watching.
Bye.